So welcome again with my channel Money Guys. Alright, after I have to take some trades, but I'm gonna lose for a amount of you know some of the dollars that man hit the stop loss. I felt very sorry and fell down. My mind had just a little bit blowing, but it that is my plan that he's or hits the stop loss. I think in every market the Ishimoku style is very can describe the nature of the market in any market and the price action on the any market, even though the cryptocurrency is one. So by now I will gonna continue to review some pairs again in Money Yikes channel to the bottom to the top, because of the time that I'm review this one is might be must to stick my mindset to be eliminate some of the moody it's just like some of meditation to change my mindset, and I hope so that everyone can get some of point of view that I'm sharing to you all around the world. Okay, let me first tie with you know USD CAD. For a daily time frame, the price is already in the Kumo already, right? It's just like a storm, jet painting storm. So I simply to see the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is twist up to the downtrend, but the Kumo is so thin and fresh right now. The dead cross has happened, and also the candlestick are in the storm. So about the USD CAD, we simply stay away for now, right? Okay, I will gonna go with the USD Swiss franc pairs and remove all of my earlier drawing. This is the bottom to the top of the review of the any market plan for my week this week. In the USD Swiss franc pair for now is golden cross. It's twisting to the uptrend, but by now the crowd is very fresh. That means the price may be sideways around here, or it can be supported by the Kumo and it can be moving up again. We don't know, but as you can see, the price is Kumo is very fast right now. It's maybe retracement back to the storm again. So in daily time frame, we simply stay away and looking for 4-hour chart. As you can see, the Swiss franc pair there has many weeks here and here. It's very tricky market one. This course had happened. So about this pair, it's not a good time for looking for a chance. And okay, let me move to some of the stock market. S&P 500, Dow Jones, and also Nasdaq US 101. You know that? Okay, but as you can see, there has some the commodity of oil. I am not recommend for you all for the looking the oil, because of it's very the spread of in per trade is very a lot. Because of it hard to see which will be happen, but this one also is a good for looking one, because of you just add much more lot to this one, because of the spread is too small one. Okay, let's begin with the US 30 Dow Jones. What happened in the Dow Jones in daily time frame? Can I remove out of all that? In daily time frame, it's not good to looking for the some of signal. Okay, in Dow Jones for now, the ticks in 4 hours is looking good one, but the crowd is very fresh. The base of crowd is fresh. The top of crowd is up. Is more fresh right now. The golden cross had occurred. The candlestick is above the Tenkan Sen and Kishan Sen, and also the Kumo, the thickness Kumo. but the present price value is just about to attach one of the candlestick, right? So we just wait when the present value is break up the candlestick to be the above, and also that's above the Tenkan-sen, Kishan-sen, and also Kumo. The golden cross just start occurring here. The price for buy now it can be support by this golden cross and twisting up, right? So we just wait until the Kishan-sen angle is up in 4-hour time frames, and Tenkan-sen is up also. And the best of the crowd is twisted angle to the upside. Is that look good to looking for, some of the buy chance. If you can see, there has some more cross resistance above there, around here of my setting point. So by now, I think the significant resistance may be the last of the top one around here. But this gap is not too much in 4-hour time frame. Oh, it's about the 370 pips. Oh, it's looking for the good one, for the opportunity. Want to get stay trades. So I'm too sorry, they have some of my code while I'm recording. This one is just about 400 pips. It's too much for me because of maybe this is the US stock one, like a Dow Jones. It's too much, right? Alright. Okay. Finish time. Maybe I'm looking for the buy chance. If it can break off this resistance first, and this here also, I'm gonna looking for the buy chance allow here. How about the resistance in daily time frame? Oh, in daily time frames, the price are already in the storm. We will just in daily time frame we just wait when the price can break the upper zone over there in the last week. About this resistance is far away. I believe when the price break allow this resistance, the Kumo in daily time frame is twisting up and make some volume over here, and also the present value can break the Kumo, Kishan-sen, Tenkan-sen to be above also, and the price is also break the Kumo again. You know that? Alright. And also the golden cross gonna be happen soon, like this. It's a good time for looking for buy chance. But the Dow Jones is very tricky market on daily time frame also. There has a long weeks about a couple of days ago. How about again in 4-hour chart? Sorry. How about the 4-hour time frames? 4-hour time frame, that's golden cross had occurred. Yes, we're looking for a break that. Can I set some alarm in the middle time frames for now? In middle time frame, there has some thin crowd around here, and for now is the up 10, but by now it's fresh. The Kishan-sen is very fresh. The angle of the Tenkan-sen is up for a little bit. There has some rooms around here in the medium term frames. It can be twisting up again, like in 4-hour time frame that I mentioned before, to make this move to break this resistance. That for 4-hour time frames. Tell you just like that to break the area, area of the top. Okay, sorry, the lockup is occurring. Nah, just you can see the thickness is not bad, but it's not good one. If it's twisting up much more like this, and this is also we will gonna looking for, but the distance is too nearby here. You know that maybe this gonna be retracement soon. How about a 30-minute time frame? The volume is gonna be okay. Oh, but the resistance is very close. Maybe it can be blocked by this one and retest to the Tenkan-sen again. We don't know. This is too short term. So in 1 hour chart, it can support after the golden cross has happened. The Kumo and Kishan-sen, it seems like support for 1 time and 2 times, and also it may be supported by the 3 times again around here on 1 hour chart. 4 hour is just golden cross one, but as I mentioned before, it will be retracement back soon. But the uptrend has occurring. The daily time frame, the price are in there. If you're looking for buy chance, we still be patient until it can be breaks of this area of resistance first. You know that it's gonna be good time to be looking for buy chance. If it can moving breaks lines around there, around here, looking for some of the resistance, that one. So in 30-minute time frame, it seems like the Kishan-sen, Tenkan-sen can be block the price on support for about 3 times. So maybe it can be blocked again and can break these of the area points 30-minute time frames. So in area, I want to set the alarming around here because it's too close one, right? In 30 minutes it supports for 1 time. You know that. Okay, if you're looking for buy chance, we please, I came in to the some of the Squid Game first on the 5-minute time frame for looking for buy chance. The golden cross happen again on overbought zone of the stochastic one. We will review back chart, the chart term. This is also the chart time too, but it's just like some of N wave that occurring here to make a move with the higher top. This is some of the chart also. So the resistance above is very nearby soon. We just looking back until it can break up the first line up here or here. Then I suggest one to set the alarm per bar crossing up the early horizontal line one around there for the Dow Jones already. Okay, this is by chance gonna be happen in Dow Jones, so maybe I twist on again of Ichimoku one and twisting to the Nasdaq. Okay, technology stocks of the United States one. What happened in daily time frames tell you. Right now is the downtrend has occurring. The base of the crowd is very fresh. The top of the crowd is down, but the most of all the crowd is fresh right now. The days cross in area is occurring daily time frame. The price may be magnet by the candlestick again because of point, but by now this present value is under the Kumo and candlestick already. The distance between here is gonna be okay. Kitchen it down. You know, the price can be supported by the Tenkan-sen and up to the Kitchen again. Maybe this can be the resistance to be break, to be bounced to downtrend direction again like this. You know that? Can I switch on some of the resistance here? As you can see, maybe this is a significant one of the resistance before, or maybe like this one. That's very significant one. It's very nearby. So in Nasdaq, I will switch to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is so very tricky market. As you can see, it's not a good time to see in there. If you're looking for sell chance, you know, in daily time frame gonna be happening. We just looking for the middle time frame, as like a big one is a 1-hour time frames that has the little ones of the Kumo. It's a really fresh. So by now the price can be retraced back to the Tenkan-sen first zone very soon. So in 4-hour chart and daily chart, okay, maybe price that one. So if you're looking for that one, there's a chance we gonna, you know, make some of the horizontal line, the first boundary that will be crossing down first, and looking for 30-minute time frames. 30-minute time frame is just set to you know, this mindset support is very accuracy because of it's the base of the crowd that we want to be break up down in 30-minute time frames, and the, you know, it will be occurring. Maybe this time I will be looking for the retracement strategy, you know. It's too soon, very soon one. How about the one chart time frames? It's very narrow one. So in Nasdaq, I'm simply stay away. Oh, sorry, I'm just make some of diagrams around here. So I gonna, you know, some of the blue flag one. How about the S&P 500? So let me back to the daily chart and remove off all the drawing first, and switch off the dash line first. It's not a good link for S&P for daily time frames, and also in 4 chart 500 is not looking good one. Alright, okay, let's switch to the AUD pair Oh, AUD player for now. In daily time frames, the price is already just break the Kumo to the upside already, but it's too early to tell that it's will gonna be to uptrend in daily time frames. How about the 4-hour time frames? The thickness of the Kumo is very good. The direction is up. Base of the curve span B, span A is up. And also golden cross has happened. And the angle of the Kishan is up, Tenkan is up. Okay, it just golden cross has happened. Is from that we support the price. The present value is above the Kumo and candlestick Tenkan and Kishan already. So this is too late to looking for by chance. May I switch some of the resistance that nearby above? It seems too far away in daily time frames. But sometimes but in 4-hour time frames, it's has the early one around here. That's maybe a point, you know. How about the middle time frames? If you're looking for the, for 1 hour, the kitchen sense is fresh, the base of the crowd is fresh, but the crowd is moving up. The price may be supported by the Kumo and the Tenkan for 1 time, 2 time, and also 3 times, 4 times. Alright, this is too short. Maybe the price can be blocked by this one and retest back to this one again and again to the support. Alright, to the kitchen and then bounce it again to follow the bigger time frame, just like a 4-hour chart that up. Or also it can be break this resistance if the angle that twists up and twists up. Also, you know that. Oh, it's a good time to looking for buy chance. In 30-minute time frames, there has some rooms around here. Just not bad. Wow. We will wait until the switch off and Tenkan is switch off also. After the gold cost, it seems like it can be supported by 3 times ago. So it may be supported by this again, and then just like 2 breaks of this, one of the earlier resistance above. Okay, it's good time to be set the alarm for the buy chance in 5-minute time frame for audjpy, right? To switch on the Bollinger Band and stochastic over here. For now, the price is already, the momentum is already overbought again. But we will be ignoring that and looking for the bench walking again. We have a quiz game over here to recharge one over here, and then it's boom, band walking. That EMA can be supported over here, and just band walking around here, and then squeeze time and make some up, For buy now, the day's course gonna be happen with the overbought of the stochastic one right there, and then the golden cross has happened again around here. So maybe it will be squeeze time first to recharge of the battery life, and then it can me much more power to break this earlier resistance. So I'm gonna set up in 5-minute time frames. Once per bar crossing up, audjpy close the bar across. Okay, it is much more rooms over there to looking for buy chart in audjpy. For buy now, we will gonna breaking up because of it's for a while. It's about a 30 minutes, just like that. So I'm be, break for this time for the money channel. So go. Hope see you guys for sharing some message to the people around the world. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.